Hello and welcome back. My name is Khaled from Destination Channel. In this video, we continue learning the command line interface for web development, part 3. And the command we're going to cover now is called touch. Touch also take an argument, which is the file name, and it creates a new file in the current working directory with the name provided. So let's try it out. Coming back here to my desktop, and maybe I need the file explorer again. Here we are. Now my terminal located in the desktop. I want to move back again to YouTube, where I have all this collection. Let's do it very quick. We know how to do it. Okay, so now I am located in YouTube directory and I want to try touch command. What happens is, what does touch do? Create a file with the given name. So touch, and let's say video games. Okay, let's see what will happen. Let me have it with the format text, so I will be able to access it in the future. And here we are. It create a video games command document just by touch, and that's what touch do. Let me go back and continue with the next command. The next command called echo, and echo, what happened, it takes two arguments. This is the first one and this is the second argument, which is a file name. So it take the first argument as a data and it's put it in the given name, file name. So it's a place data inside this file. That's it. Place the output from command line on the left, which is here, into the given file, which is on the right. Let's try it out. You saw I created a video games document. Let's list some data inside this video games. I will say echo. This is the command, and here the data I want to have. I should place it in this in between the two double quotes. So I will say Dota2, for example, and I need to provide the command line, the greater than, and then the file name. In my case, video games. Okay. If I click enter now, hopefully I will find Dota 2 in video games. Let's try. Here we are, we have Dota 2. So if I close it now, and let's change that maybe, or let's do something else. Echo, I don't know what cities, let's say cities 2, also greater than, and target the file I want to affect. Here we are. So now I'm placing cities 2 in the video games. Let's check what we will see here. Now it's cities. So it seems like echo add this data inside this, the given folder name. That's what it does. Cool. Let's move forward and see what is the next command, which is cat. Cat also take an argument, which is a file name, and it displays the content of the given file name. That's great. So we don't need now to go to the folder in the file explorer and check on video games like I did before. I don't need to do so anymore. I simply can say cat and then give the file name I want to check, video games. That's it. So now if I click it, I will see what is inside it. It will print it here, what is inside it. So let's change the content of the video games and see what we can, if we can see the difference here. I will say how to change the content of the file using echo, and give the data test for cat command, let's say. Yeah, I want to place it in video games, and that's it. If I click enter now, I want to read the video games and see what is inside. Notice now test for cat command is inside the video games, but also echo is not really big help because it's keep replacing the data. That's not good. Sometimes you don't want to delete the old data and replace it by new data. You want to add data only without affecting the old one. So let's see what is the command that help us do so. Also echo, but with 2 greater than sign will do the work. Now it's add the output from command line on the left side to the given file. Does not place it, now it's adding only. Let's go and check it out. Here we are. If I say echo, and let's say I should be added, and let's say greater than twice, and video games, and here we are. So now maybe and hopefully the video games is changed. Let's read it and see the data inside it. So cat for me video games, and here we are. Now I see 2 lines. The first one, test for cat command, and the second one, I should be added. So let's try it again. Echo, and let's say third line, and okay, let's read it. Cat video games. Okay, I wrote car and I should place it with cat. Fortunately, car will not read the file for us, which is fine. And here we are. Now we have 3. Check it here. I should see the 3 lines. Perfect. So echo with double greater than signs will add data for us. That's great. That was everything for this video. I will see you in the next one. Ciao.